क्या आपको पता है, आज मैं घूमने गई थी। अकेले नहीं, उसके साथ गई थी और उसने आज मुझे ये फूल भी दिया था। वैसे तो हम बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं। वो बहुत ही अच्छा है और वो बहुत हैंडसम भी है। आज हम दोनों ने बाहर जाके बहुत मस्ती की। नमस्कार दोस्तों, आज हम हिंदी सर्वनामों के बारे में बात करने जा रहे हैं। Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the pronouns of the Hindi language. Are you going to skip the video because of the topic? Right. I know that you don't like to watch these grammar lessons or grammar videos at all. So, this is not a typical grammar lesson for you. In this video, I'm going to identify the pronouns from the monologue that we enjoyed at the beginning. And then we are going to use those pronouns in sentences so that you can understand that how to use them in your day-to-day life. So we'll start from the beginning. We all know that the pronouns of Hindi language can be divided into three categories. They are first person, second person and third person pronouns. So now we are going to analyze the sentences and we'll try to find out the suitable pronouns for these three sections. Right, we'll go to the first example. आज मैं घूमने गई थी. आज मैं घूमने गई थी, which means today I went to hang out with someone. I went to hang out. मैं घूमने गई थी. So we'll go to another example. मैं शशि हूँ. मैं शशि हूँ, which means I am Shashi. Right. Now you can identify that the first person singular pronoun of Hindi language, that is मैं. मैं means I. So if you are a non-Hindi speaker, you have to be careful about the pronunciation of this word मैं. So this is मैं and you can't pronounce it as मैं, because you can identify that there is a nasal pronunciation of this word. मैं. Right. Now we are going to identify the first person plural pronoun of Hindi language. So we'll take an example for this. हम दोस्त हैं. हम दोस्त हैं, which means we are friends. हम दोस्त हैं. Or we can say that हम लड़कियां हैं. हम लड़कियां हैं, which means we are girls. So now you can identify the first person plural pronoun, that is हम, which means we. Now you can see the first person singular and plural pronouns of Hindi language. Now I am going to discuss the pronouns which comes under the second section. The pronouns comes under the second section are आप, तुम and तू. So now we are going to analyze that how to choose the perfect pronoun according to the person. Right. First of all, we'll talk about the pronoun आप. आप means you. You can use the pronoun आप with your elders. For example, आप कौन है? आप कौन है? Which means who are you? So you can use the word up with your elders. And the word up gives the meaning of singular form. And if you want to make it plural, then you have to add the word log. The lexical meaning of the word log is people. But when we add log into the up, it becomes up log, which gives the plural sense here. For example, आप लोग कौन है? आप लोग कौन है? Which means who are you? Right. Now we are going to the other one. That is तुम. Again, which means you. We can use the pronoun तुम with our friends. For example, we can ask from our friends that तुम कौन हो? तुम कौन हो? Which means who are you? But we can't use the word tum with the elders. And again, the word tum gives the singular sense. And if you want to make it plural, then we can use the word log with tum. For example, tum log. तुम लोग कौन हो? तुम लोग कौन हो? Who are you? But here, it gives the sense of plural. Right. Now we are going to the next one. That is tu. Tu. Tu means again you. But we have to keep in mind that the word tu gives the informal meaning, informal sense. So, we can't use the pronoun tu with the elders. But parents can use the word tu and address their children with tu. For example, tu kaun hai? Tu kaha hai? Which means who are you and where are you? A mother can ask from her child that tu kaun hai? Here, the word tu gives the closeness and the love and affection of the mother towards the child. So, parents can use the word tu to address their children, but children or we can't use the word tu to address the elders. Right. The other thing is that we can't use the word log with tu, which means there is nothing like tu log. We only use the log with tum log and aap log. Right. Now we are going to the third section. Now we are going to discuss the third person singular and plural pronouns of Hindi. First of all, we'll take a look at the singular pronouns. Yah and vah are the singular pronouns which comes under this section. We write these words as yah and vah, but we can pronounce them as ye and wo. Right. So we'll take some examples. We can say यह किताब है or ये किताब है, which means this is a book. ये किताब है. So वो क्या है? वो क्या है? Which means what is that? वो क्या है? Again we can say वो किताब है. वो किताब है, which means that is a book. That is a book. Or we can ask ये कौन है? ये कौन है? Which means who is she? Or who is he? ये लड़की है. ये लड़की है, which means she is a girl. She is a girl. Or we can ask, वो कौन है? वो कौन है? Who is he? Or who is she? वो लड़का है. वो लड़का है. He is a boy. वो लड़का है. Now we are going to talk about the third person plural pronouns. Those are ye and we. And we can use these pronouns with animate and inanimate nouns. And we can use the word log with both of these pronouns. For example, ye log and we log. Right. We'll take some sentences. ये किताबें हैं. ये किताबें हैं. Which means these are books. ये किताबें हैं. वे क्या है? वे क्या है? वे किताबें हैं. Which means those are books. Those are books. ये लोग कौन है? ये लोग कौन है? Who are these people? Who are these people? ये लोग लड़के हैं. ये लोग लड़के हैं. Which means these are boys. These are boys. वे लोग कौन है? वे लोग कौन है? Who are they? वे लोग लड़कियां हैं. वे लोग लड़कियां हैं. Which means they are girls. Right. I think you have enjoyed today's lesson. And now you have a complete understanding about how to use the Hindi pronouns in your day-to-day life. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. And please go to the Facebook page and like it over there. So we'll meet again with another interesting Hindi lesson. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया है तो फिर मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए और यहाँ पे जो बेल आइकन है उसको दबाइए. और उसके साथ साथ मेरे फेसबुक पेज पे जाके वहाँ पे भी लाइक कर दीजिएगा. And if you have any comments, please write them below at the comment section. एक और नए मजेदार वीडियो के साथ फिर मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.